Image immersion mode. Your gateway to archaeological treasure. Ready to dive deep into the visual world of ancient artifacts? The gallery is where serious artifact hunters go when they want one thing: uninterrupted access to hundreds of archaeological images with lightning-fast navigation. Let's unlock this visual paradise. Why the gallery changes everything. Think of the gallery as your personal archaeological museum, open 24/7, where you control the experience. No distractions, no map markers, just you and an endless stream of artifacts waiting to reveal their secrets. Here's what makes it special. Pure focus. Every pixel on screen is dedicated to artifact imagery. Smart grouping. Images organized by archaeological site. Logical and intuitive. Seamless scrolling. Page-by-page loading keeps everything smooth, no matter how many images you browse. Professional-grade quality. Higher resolution for logged-in users. Means you see details casual browsers miss. The infinite scroll experience, landing on the gallery page, feels like opening a treasure chest. Here's how to navigate this visual feast. The scroll journey. Just keep scrolling down to reveal more artifacts, site by site. See that count? Next to artifacts, that's showing loaded images, total available. Watch it grow as you explore. Loading made smart. We don't dump hundreds of images on you at once. Your browser would hate us. Instead, images load progressively as you scroll. It's like turning pages in a catalog, but smoother. Quick navigation shortcuts. See the orange scroll button in the bottom right corner? One click rockets you back to the top. No endless scrolling backward. Hit the end of the collection, and you'll see all sites and artifacts are shown. You've conquered the entire database. Pro tip: your browser remembers these images. Once loaded, they're cached locally. Return tomorrow, and they load instantly. We're saving you precious research time. The resolution revolution. Here's a game changer. Guest users see good images. Logged-in users see great images. Significantly higher resolution for spotting those mysterious details that make you question everything you know about ancient technology. The magic: your browser stores the right version for your access level. No wasted bandwidth, no duplicate downloads. Smart caching that respects your time. Remember, if you order large wall prints, we use original files with extreme 5 times higher resolution for superior quality. Filter like a detective. Want to focus on specific artifacts? Welcome to filtering superpowers. Just like the main map, but designed for rapid visual scanning. Geographic slicing. Select one or multiple countries. Watch that artifact count change instantly. That's filtering in action. Technology tags. Looking for polygonal masonry, precision cutting? Filter by construction technologies and see only what matches your research interests. Material matters. Hunt for granite structures, limestone mysteries. The Stones filter is your material science search engine. Site-specific deep dives. Already know which archaeological sites fascinate you? Select them directly and ignore the rest. The auto selection dance. Notice those auto checkboxes next to technologies and stones? Here's the logic. Checked. When you change countries, all available tags or stones automatically select. Maximum results mode. Unchecked. We try to preserve your previous selections, precision research mode. substring search magic. Type any word, try gate, and watch the gallery show only artifacts with that substring in their names. It's like Control F for archaeological imagery. Print format filtering. Planning to purchase? Filter by available print formats and sizes. Want to see what's available as frames-wide acrylic print in 40 x 16? One click reveals your options. Want to share your filter? Click on this icon and select How do you want to share? Quick reset. Made your filters too narrow? Hit that reset icon on the right, confirm in the dialog, and boom, back to maximum exploration mode, the enlarged view experience. Click any image preview and enter the detail zone. This is where research happens. Resolution awakening. Not logged in? Notice the image quality is decent. Now click Login for better resolution and watch what happens. Suddenly, we're seeing details invisible before. This is the difference between casual browsing and serious research. Login Fast Track. Choose Google Authentication, Instant, or Local Credentials. One-time setup. The system remembers you were viewing a specific artifact prior login and redirects you right back after login. Seamless transition. Zoom like a pro. Mouse wheel. Scroll to zoom in, out. Keyboard. Plus, minus keys for precise control. Buttons. Click the plus or minus buttons. Exit extra zoom. Left-click once anywhere when zoomed in, or hit that Fit Image button. Close and continue. Press Escape or click the X button when you're done. Back to the gallery grid you go. Navigate without leaving detail view. Here's where the gallery becomes ridiculously efficient. Why return to thumbnails when you can surf between artifacts at full size? Artifact to artifact navigation. Desktop version, left-right arrow keys jump to previous, next artifact in the same site. Mobile version, swipe left-right. Visual, click the left-right arrow buttons. Confirmation. Watch the artifact name highlight briefly. That's your "You Are Here" marker. Site-to-site leaps. Desktop, up-down arrow keys jump between archaeological sites. Mobile, swipe up, down. Visual, click the up, down arrow buttons. Confirmation. The site name highlights when you change sites. The Smart Sync. Notice something clever? When you close the enlarged view, the gallery page auto-scrolls to show the site block you were just viewing. It's like having a bookmark that updates itself. Quick actions at your fingertips. Back on the main gallery page, hover over any image for desktop version, or tap the artifact name in mobile version to reveal 3 powerful icons. Icon number 1, Location Jump, opens Google Maps instantly to show the artifact's surroundings. Perfect for understanding geographical context. Icon number 2, Deep Details, reveals coordinates, altitude, construction technologies, building materials, and any expert comments. This is your research data hub. Icon number 3, Shopping Cart. Ready to bring this home as a large format print? Select your format, choose quantity, and add to cart. The shopping cart icon, top right, shows your current item count. Pro tip: different artifacts offer different print formats based on image quality and popularity. Some have one option, others offer a full menu of sizes. Your visual research superpower unlocked. You now command the ultimate artifact browsing experience. Infinite scrolling through site-organized collections. Smart filtering by geography, technology, materials, and print formats. High-resolution viewing for logged-in researchers. Lightning navigation between artifacts and sites without leaving detail view. Quick actions for maps, details, and shopping. Whether you're building a research database, hunting for specific construction techniques, or curating your next print purchase, the gallery transforms how you interact with archaeological imagery. Ready to lose yourself in ancient mysteries? Your image immersion experience starts now. Prepare to see details that will make you question everything you thought you knew about ancient civilizations. Enjoy exploring, and may every artifact reveal something extraordinary.